So I'm revisiting the pepper starting project, and this is after 7 days, and I've gone through several of these bags and I haven't seen any noticeable or marked advantage to the use of the seaweed extract in the starting of the seeds. Now that doesn't mean that once they go a little further I'm not going to have better results. So I've gone through and I've counted several of them. This being the Thai hot started with just regular water, and this is started with the seaweed extract mixed to the percentages suggested on the package. And I have basically the same number of seeds. In this case it looks like I have 100%, well there's one, so 90% germination rate here. Well, there, exact. My belief is that it doesn't really affect the germination of the seeds. However, once the seeds get started, I think there's going to be a clear advantage, and that would be that there's food for the seeds, or the roots have something to go after or into. At this point in time, the little seedlings are still living off of the energy stored up in the seed itself. So I kind of still discount how much advantage is going on with the seaweed extract, but that's my results. I tried to make it so that if anybody questioned them, they could go back and test the results themselves. So far that's where we are. This is its day 7. You can see that I have nearly 100%. It is only 7 days, so that's where we are. I'm going to put them back in their bags for a few more days. I'm not ready to plant these in soil yet. We'll keep you up to speed on it. So another reason I like to use these bags is I can see through the bags. They're translucent, and I can see through the paper towel slightly, and I can tell that most of these seeds in here, I don't know if you can see it, have sprouted a little bit. This isn't the best one. There you can see right above the H. Roots popping out of these seeds, so you can meter the progress that you're making because these bags can see through. Also down here, this one's got a little darker. I'm going to guess that might be a little mold or something growing on that seed. That's something to keep an eye on as you progress. A couple days from now I will take these out and we'll put them in soil. But that's one of the advantages of using